Terrain Tamer advises that all brake work should be carried out by a qualified mechanic. With the vehicle on the hoist, remove the wheels and clamp off the flexible brake hoses. Undo the brake pipe. Remove the retainer clip and pipe retainer bracket. Remove the caliper bolts and discard the caliper and disc rotor. Rework the back plate to clear the larger rotor. Clean the rotor mounting face and then trial fit the new disc rotor using 2 wheel nuts to check the back plate clearance. Bolt the spacer bracket and caliper to the housing. Make sure the rotor is central between the caliper sides. Coat the disc pad braking plate with anti-squeal compound and install the pads. Fit the anti-rattle springs and rebolt. Fit the new flexible brake hose. Replace the retainer spring clip and hose retainer bracket. Be sure to realign the bracket to suit the hose. After refitting the wheels, bleed the brakes and drive the vehicle to bed in the new brake pads.